Guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I was at Hobby Lobby today and I saw this pour kit. People have been asking me to try the Hobby Lobby pre-mixed pouring paints. Finally got it. So this kit was $19.99 in my area, and it comes with 1 drop cloth, 10 popsicle sticks, 1 manual, 1 canvas, 10 cups, 2 gloves, silicone oil, which is the Cell Magic, and 9 paints that are the 2 ounces each. So it's actually a pretty complete kit. We're going to go ahead and open it up and try it out. Okay, managed to get everything open. So, regular, it looks like vinyl gloves, I think. This is a fairly, it seems just kind of like a normal canvas, not anything special. I think we will try this pour out with the Cell Magic because, well, that just sounds magical. So the popsicle sticks are literally just popsicle sticks. And of course everything's, you know, taped together like Fort Knox. These cups are pretty cute. I mean, all in all, not a bad kit. And for the fact that it was just 20 bucks, not too shabby. Now it does say mix or shake well before using. So let's make sure to shake these. Let's see if it has a little, nope, it's just ready to go. Okay. So we're going to use the, oh, just kidding. It's not ready to go. I mean, it is. It has the little thing that's stuck in there. Ah. Okay. I had a feeling it had a thing. All right, cut that out. So this, let's see if this even says a color on here. It has no color. It's literally just blue. No names. Okay, we're going to use some of that. This is a pretty, like, turquoisey color. I'm going to go ahead and get these into the, I'm going to get these bottles open and then we'll continue. All right, difficulty rating of opening the bottles was a 10. That was kind of ridiculous. That was way too much work. All right. So these are the same size bottles as the Arteza. Whoops, I don't think I shook that one very well. I'm using blue, turquoise, a green, and then some gold. Let's get some more blue. I mean green. That's not blue. But there's obviously a lot less. Okay. And then I'm going to use what they dub Cell Magic silicone oil. I feel like it's just silicone oil. So let's put a drop in each of these. Stir, 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 stir. Now there's no big cup here to do a dirty pour with. So I'm going to grab one of those, and I think I'm also going to add, let's add white and black. Okay. So I shook these up. We got some white and some black. And let's go ahead, we're going to leave the Cell Magic out of those. And let's go ahead and combine them all into our big cup. So these do seem to be fairly watery consistency, but not too watery. I think it'll be fine. It actually seems similar to the Arteza consistency. When using separate cups like this, it's kind of hard to tell how much you have. All right, I'm going to flip these guys over, because we're going to just be flip cupping this. This gold does seem to be nice and really bright and shiny, so that's pretty exciting. Okay, I absolutely need more paint here. So, let's go ahead and add more turquoise. We'll add more white. And we're going to add more gold. Okay, that's good. So we have about 4, maybe a little bit more drops of that Cell Magic stuff in here, which I'm pretty excited about. Get everything out of the way. Extra sticks, extra cups. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and flip cup this. Now I'm gonna let this sit here for a minute as usual. While that's sitting, I'm just gonna clean up this other stuff here. Okay, good, here we go. And because I did add silicone in here, I am gonna go ahead and torch it. See if we can help bring up any cells with that. If anything, it'll just get rid of air bubbles. Good. And now we tilt. I do really, really, really like their gold. I will say that. Their gold is nice and bright and shiny. It's very, very metallic. Okay. So far, not a super fan of this piece. Possibly could have added slightly more of that silicone oil. I'm going to bring this back this way a little bit because I like this black section over here. And I think I'm going to run this off this side. Okay, good. All right, not totally digging this piece. Really digging that gold though, especially over here with the black. I think that looks awesome. Also really digging my glove. Okay, I think I'm going to torch this one more time and then we'll let it sit and we'll come back and we'll see what we've got. Oh, that's opening up some things. Look at that. I don't know if you guys saw that as I torched that green opened up over there. Okay, good. All right, let's let it sit. We'll be back. All right, we have a little bit developing in here. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. So lower right-hand corner here. And I was just reading their instructions, upper right-hand corner. And it did say to use 3 to 4 drops, upper left-hand corner, of the so-called Cell Magic per color. It didn't exactly say how much of each color though. I only used 1 to 2 drops. So I might try adding more in a future experiment. I really love this section. You can see that gold in there. It's really cool. I love, love, love that gold. So there you go. In terms of like a starter's kit, I'd say that this actually really isn't that bad. Like it's a pretty decent kit, especially for the money, if you want to just kind of play around with it. But I'm going to do a couple more experiments coming up with these paints. So I'll give my full verdict after a few more experiments. So far, I'm more of a fan of the Arteza ones, I think. But, you know, we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.